Hello, my name is Allison Reddick, and I am a VA law attorney for Hill and Ponton. I have done VA law solely for over 7 years, and today I'm going to talk to you about requirements for individual unemployability, also known as TDIU benefits, in a few short minutes. So, there are two qualifications for individual unemployability benefits. The first is your combined rating, the percentage. You either have to have a single disability rated at 60%, or you can have multiple disabilities, but they must equal to at least 70%, with at least one disability equaling 40%. So you could have a heart condition at 60%, and that would qualify for your one condition, and you would qualify for individual unemployability consideration for that. Or you could have a back condition at 40%, plus the radiculopathies of your legs, plus tinnitus, plus hearing loss. And that would be at least 70%, with the 40% being your back condition. So if you qualify for step one, then you move to step two, which is you are unable to complete substantially gainful employment. And so basically, what that means is that there's evidence in your record that shows that you are unable to work in a competitive job 40 hours a week without any accommodations, and that your service connected disabilities affect your ability to work. Now, there are caveats with this, and an example I will give where a veteran looks like they don't qualify, but they actually do, would be I've had someone come to me where their back rating has been 20%, but they have radiculopathy in the legs that are 20% and 30%. And so, what is interesting about individual unemployability is that conditions that are from the same body system, the same etiology, or from the same accident count as one condition. So, a lot of times I will see rating decisions which deny the veteran consideration for individual unemployability because they don't have at least that 40% rating. However, they have that 30% for the one leg and 20% for the other. And those are of the same etiology. So that would count as 40% for one condition. So there are multiple ways where people are denied when they shouldn't be. And that's the major issue that I see, is because they do not qualify. But like I said, if something is from the same disease system, body system, or etiology, then they can count as one. The other issue I see would be that the VA finds that the veteran is still able to complete substantially gainful employment or activity. That's the number one. What you need to do is make sure you fill out your 8940 form properly, which will show your work history and when your disabilities affected your ability to work, as well as get doctor's notes or information from your employer, or statements from yourself or your significant other discussing how your service connected disabilities affect your ability to work. Now, this is only one section of TDIU. This is just the basic requirements and some caveats to it. I know you will probably have additional questions about individual unemployability, like is there an age limit? So if you click on this video here, that will lead you to another video talking about age requirements for TDIU benefits.